Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a reset progress GUI inside of Roblox Studios. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is go over to our Explorer tab and we're gonna add in our screen GUI. So you wanna go into Start GUI and add in a screen GUI. And we're gonna call this to reset progress. Alright, so next we wanna add in a frame, and we're gonna name this to confirm frame. And then we're just gonna resize this just about like that and put it right in the middle of the screen. Inside this frame, we're gonna add in a text label. You don't really have to name this, but I'm gonna keep it unnamed because we don't really need it to name it. But this is gonna be our title, which is set the transparency to 1. I'm gonna change the text. We're gonna change the text to would, or let's make it a are you sure you want to reset your progress, and then question mark. Just make sure that's text scale so we can see that. And inside of these, now inside of the frame, once again we're gonna add in 2 buttons, and we're gonna click either yes or no. We're gonna add 2 buttons and let's move them to their location. Now, I'm not gonna make this really good looking and stuff in a sense, because well, it's just a tutorial and it's just to get an idea of how to make it. But yeah, we're gonna name this one to no and the other button to yes, and then we can just change the text to say the same thing. All right, so that is done for the frame. We can close that, and you want to click on the frame and make sure that visibility, let me make this a bit bigger. You want to make sure that visibility right here is off, because we don't want to see this in general. We're gonna go back to the reset progress screen GUI, and we're gonna add in a text button, and this button is what we're gonna use to trigger this whole thing. So we're gonna name this to prompt button, and we can just change the text here to reset progress, and then once again text scaled just like that. Again, you can customize it if you like, that's up to you. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna close off Start GUI. You want to head over to replicate storage, and we're gonna add in a remote event, and we're gonna name this to reset data, just like that. And we're gonna go to server script service now, and we're gonna add in a leader stat script, because now again the leader stat script is just this is optional because I don't really have any data to like reset, because that's why I'm gonna be adding this leader stat script. But if you already have a leader stat script, you can just use that. I'm gonna show you later on how to do that. But if you don't already have any data, so I'm gonna make a leader stat script just like this. If you want to add any script, and we're gonna do game.players added :connect function and player, and we're gonna go now. We're gonna do local leader stats is equal to instance dot new, and I'm gonna do folder instead of quotation marks, and then no, I'm gonna do leader stats dot name is equal to leader stats. I'm gonna go down one more, and we're gonna do leader stats dot parent is equal to player. We're gonna go down 2 spaces. We're gonna do local cache. Again, you can do whatever, but I'm just doing cache because that's the most common one. So instance.new, and then we're gonna do integer value, and then cache.name is equal to cache dot value is equal to I'm gonna do 500 just so we have some kind of starting value, and then cache.parent is equal to leader stats. Alright, so that is our leader stat script done. What you guys want to do now is go back. Actually, we're gonna rename the script to leader stats so we don't get confused, because there is one more script that we're gonna be adding inside of server script service. But you want to go back to Start GUI, and inside of the reset progress GUI, or the screen GUI, you want to add in a local script. We're gonna name this to control script, because this is where the main thing will, like the main function will be handled. So we're gonna do first, we're gonna add our buttons. So we're gonna do local yes is equal to script dot parent dot is it so confirm frame, yeah, dot yes. And the same thing for no, we're gonna do local no is equal to script dot parent dot confirm frame dot no. We're gonna go down, we're gonna do script dot parent dot prompt button. So this is where we bring in the trigger button over here, this one right here. And what we're gonna do that if this is clicked, so we're gonna do mouse button one click connect function, and then set another pair of brackets right there. Go down, script dot parent dot confirm frame dot visible is equal to not space script dot parent dot confirm frame dot visible. I'm gonna go down once again, and we're gonna do if script, let's go down twice actually, if script dot parent dot confirm frame dot visible is equal to true, then we're gonna do yes dot mouse button one click colon connect function, and then go down, and we're gonna do game dot replicated storage dot reset data colon fire server. And then we're gonna skip this and go this end and go down. We're gonna do same thing for no. So no dot mouse button one click colon connect, or actually yeah, and then function, add our brackets, and then we're gonna go down to script dot parent dot confirm frame dot visible is equal to false. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing here now is basically what it will do that we first obviously added our buttons, so the script knows what yes and no is. Now what we did here is that once the prompt button, which is this trigger button right here, once it is clicked, it's gonna do either if basically if the it's gonna basically make the frame over here, the confirm frame, visible, and then if the person clicks yes, then it's gonna fire the server, meaning reset the data. If the person clicks no, then it will just simply close the frame. Nothing will really happen. So now we're gonna add one more script. We're gonna go back into server script service, and then we're gonna add any small script. So we're gonna add script. Let's rename this to let's name this reset data script, just like that. All right, so this one's a small script, but what this will do is basically just erase all the data. So we're gonna do game.replicate, all right, game.replicate storage dot reset data dot on server event colon connect function, and we'll do player because it's a player function. We're gonna do let's do player. Actually we need to change the text. So all right, so next time we're gonna do player, and then this is where if you already had a leader stat script like I mentioned earlier, if you already have some kind of leader stat, this is where you'd use it. But we're gonna do player dot leader stats, and then dot, now because for me in my leader stat script my thing is cache, we're gonna do cache, so dot cache, I think it's uppercase, yeah it is, so you want to use this one right here, the uppercase with the C, cache dot value is equal to 0, and that's basically you're done. Now if you had other more values like kills or deaths, you want to just copy paste this basically, and you would paste it under it, paste it, and then you would change this cache to, let's say, kills, and you paste it again, and for deaths or rebirths, whatever it really is, or anything, yeah, to be honest. But yeah, because I only have one value over here, that's why I'm only using just the cache part. But yeah, and that's basically it. So now we can go ahead and test this out. All right, so right off the bat you can see that my leader stat script is working. I have 500 cache. Once I click this, it should open up the confirm frame. It says, are you sure? Spelled that wrong. Are you sure you want to reset your progress? If I click no, nothing will happen. You can see I still have my 500 cache. If I click yes, my cache resets, and I can just click no again, and then there you go. And that's basically for this video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Hopefully this video did help out. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment down in the section below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so as you know, if you saw my new community post on my channel, I have announced our next Roblox giveaway live stream. It will take place when the channel does hit 3,000 subscribers. Now there will be a separate information video that I will post when the channel reaches 2,900 subscribers, which will give everyone enough time to enter. Now the rules will be the exact same as usual. You have to be subscribed to the channel, be in my Roblox group, and comment down your Roblox username on the information video. Now, like I said before, the information video is currently not uploaded yet, and it will be available at 2,900 subscribers. But what you can do now is go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join my Roblox group linked in the description below of all my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Good luck.